Do you love beads? Do you have collections of beads in bowls and boxes and old biscuit tins? Aren't these wonderful? Did you play dressing up when you were younger? Do you still play dressing up now? Old pieces of chandeliers. You can also mix up necklaces. You can break up necklaces that you've got that you think you love, and then a few years later you think, oh, I don't know. Of course, you can use beads that you've also made yourself. If you want something more organic, I absolutely adore these. These kind of things are probably not very functional. They're not the sort of thing that you would put flowers in. I love making bangles to match different outfits in different color combinations. So if I take this bangle apart, you can see how I've made it. You're going to start coiling, or you could start to bend it up and make a little feature of it. You then can start to stitch into each row and around each bead. I'm pretty sure that nearly every single one of you will have a collection of some kind.